Today we'll show you how to change your username in your YouTube account. Okay, like a handle and like username like a handle. Okay, guys, just follow these steps. Okay, first you can open this is in your laptop like YouTube Studio in your laptop, or you can open like application in your phone like its name it's YouTube Studio application. Okay, guys, and you can follow these steps. Okay, after you are open this is in your Google Chrome YouTube Studio, and go now to customization. It's this. It's like dashboard, content analytic, community supply, content detection, and the earn and customization. It's here. Okay, just click and put it now down. Will be find here. It's a handle. A handle. It's like the username. Okay. Okay, just you can put here like a new name, maybe if you know 2026 maybe like this. Okay, guys, and you can put what you want. Okay, maybe do truth like the name, do truth maybe like this, and you can publish, and finally will be change your handle of your YouTube account. Just follow these steps and not forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.